RoboticsX application for bottle opener cell showcases the monitoring of the production line for bottle openers. We are monitoring in real time the process, that is, in which particular process step the operation is, how long does it take for each production step, and what are the problems or the status of the machines. We of course also monitor all product related data like cycle times, the time needed to repair the product if there was a failure, the time that it took in a collaborative mode, and the time that it took in the real production mode. All these data are needed for the improvement of each and every step of a production line, and to keep the cycle times as short as possible and the uptime of the production as high as possible. Our application allows the production manager to monitor all the data in real time, to get alarmed when the things are not going well or according to the plan, and to predict the future behavior of the machines, like potential breakdowns, stops, outages or shortages of the material needed for the production.